Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Tahoe key fob here. It works for these models 2021 and 2025 and you don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2450 and you can find this battery everywhere and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is right on this side here, you see this small button. Now press this button and when you press it this way you can very easily pull this mechanical key out. Now when you remove the mechanical key out and when you hold the fob like this with the buttons facing down, this here is the back piece we need to remove. So when you hold the fob like this, take the mechanical key and with the tip only, insert the tip right in this hole over here, insert the tip like this and now twist it a little bit, push up, and this way you can very easily remove this back piece over here. And now when you remove this back piece over here, right after that, here you see your old dead battery. And now to remove the battery, it's very easy, just take your small flat screwdriver, or again the mechanical key, insert the tip here or here, it doesn't matter, and just from here push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery here in the same place, just install your new battery like this. And now it's very important, this side that faces you is the positive side, so this step here is very important. Alright, and now when you insert the battery here, just take this back piece now again, make sure you align it perfectly here like this and just snap them together. And now when you do that like this, take this mechanical key again and put it back inside the fob just like in the beginning, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.